scare for Sun Pharma has passed, or so it seems, and there seems to be no further complication at this point in time. The Sun Pharma stock saw a relief rally after the details of the US FDA warning letter issued to the Halol plant raised no fresh red flags, according to brokerages. CNBC TV 18's Ekta Batra has the story.
Sun Pharma's condition has not improved, but the details of the warning letter issued to Sun Pharma's Halol plant by the American drug regulator prove that it has not worsened either, and that's reason enough for investors to feel relieved. It's now clear that the observations in the letter were in line with what the management had highlighted to analysts earlier, and more importantly, the fine print does not throw up any new negatives. For some analysts, this has come as a major relief. As Kotak Securities points out, it seems the warning letter was issued more because the company had not sent the US FDA any fresh updates after its last response in May 2015. The latest warning letter covers around 6 to 8 observations of the total 23 observations that were listed in the September 2014 report. These relate to issues of sterility assurance, media fill procedures, documentation, and validation or control. As Kotak Securities further points out, this latest letter raises no concerns about the facility or firm-wide data integrity. And Nomura agrees, saying the FDA's key concern seems to center around the possibility of contamination in injectables and the lack of robustness in quality control processes. So while Sun Pharma still has to resolve existing US FDA concerns, Kotak says it is comfortable with a resolution timeline of the second quarter of FY17. It also sees a low probability of an import alert. Nomura, meanwhile, says it is possible that a resolution may be delayed because Sun will have to carry out more studies to meet some of the FDA requirements. So a resolution may be arrived at only by the end of FY17. Of course, none of this is to say that the company is out of the woods. After all, Halol remains the company's largest formulation site and contributes $300 to $400 million in annual sales. It also has the biggest pipeline of pending abbreviated new drug applications, especially for Sun's injectable portfolio. So the quicker a resolution, the better for the company's prospects. In Mumbai, Ekta Batra.
On to